It's just a double. Yeah, I think we're going through a rough patch right now. Restaurant is Saloon Vito. Good to know. Good grapes? I don't know. It's not grape. Not horrible. Not horrible. Where are you going? Kelsey, we are on our way to Montreal. We're heading to Montreal. Spontaneous decision. And here we are. On the train. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Actually, you know what? You could just leave those 4 bottles of wine on the table when you come back. We'll take them all. We'll take those off your hands. The cart looks a bit heavy with them on. We can help with that. You know what I mean? I put my seat back and I can't get it back up. It's stuck behind. The Underground Mall. I will most definitely check that out. I do need to hit up a mall. I need to grab a few shirts and a pair of pants or something. It's gonna be on the list tomorrow for sure. How far is Niagara from Montreal? It takes about 6 hours and change to get there. Hi from Canada. Hello. Hello, hello. It would have been crazy if we went back to Vancouver.
I'm just calling to see if you may be able to help me out. I unexpectedly will be in Montreal tonight until Sunday, and just seeing if you could help with finding a hotel for 2. And
I'll have to check it out.
The room.
I'll have to find it.
Beds.
Are you sitting backwards or forwards? Backwards. I am backwards. Coon cannot sit backwards.
Yeah, downtown Montreal.
But yeah, we'll definitely try and check that out. For sure.
Yeah, first name's Justin, last name's Kuhn.
Yeah, Coon's trying to book this room right now still.
Yes, sir.
I need me another cold pack.
22900.
We can just cuddle at 1. We can just cuddle at 1. He's in business mode right now.
Not necessarily, no.
Sorry, could I just grab another one of the beers as well?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Nice. been cut off yet. We're on the right track.
Tonight.
Peyton, what's going on? Hello. Hello.
Sunday.
Oh, Shannon, it's nothing that hasn't been said before, you know. We're at Montreal. We're going to Montreal, Quebec. Making our way downtown. Yeah. You know, go on your way first and then worry about where you're going to stay later. It works out pretty good. Little Einsteins, you got it. You know, the very first thing I'm doing as soon as we get back to that hotel is throwing in an Uber Eats order. For sure. For sure. I'm gonna absolutely inhale it too. No shame. No shame. I'm going fuck. Just saying. Coon's got it figured out right now. He's on the phone with somebody. He's on the phone with somebody. Country girl, much love. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. V, you're lying. I googled it. No way you don't actually have Chipotle in Montreal. No. Don't say that, man. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Okay, thanks.
Good.
Oh, I've been put on hold.
Oh. We don't, I swear. That's bullshit, V. That's bullshit. What are you doing in Canada? Just living. Just living. I live here. I do live here. So exploring my motherland. We have much burrito. It's not the same. Mucho burrito. Is it good? Is it good? My motherland. I didn't believe Brandon. No, I didn't. I didn't believe either of you. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted it not to be true so bad. Sorry. Much love. Much love.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. One more cold pop. Never hurt anybody. I thought there was a Chipotle. I googled it and it showed like 6 different spots. So I'm sitting there thinking, oh, we're golden. There's Chipotle for sure. I was so convinced that there was a Chipotle. And there's not, apparently. And that's horrible. That's horrible. But yeah, that's okay. You're right, Candace. You're right. Is there Jersey Mike's? I don't think we have Jersey Mike's in Canada.
Okay. Do they have a fitness center? Do they have like a gym, like a fitness center? Hello? Hello? Oh no. Can you hear me now? Okay, are you able to hear me clearly? Okay, sorry, I'm just on a train, so it may be a little patchy. I was just asking, do they have a gym or like a fitness center? Okay, cool. And what's the price for that per night?
Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Summer. Other than the GO train, yeah. Other than the GO train.
But, okay, so that only has one queen bed and then a roll-away bed? Yeah, that probably isn't gonna work. Okay, no problem. I'll keep looking. Okay, thanks,
It's a
Nigel.
roll-away bed.
Okay, bye.
That sounds worse than a cot.
What?
A roll-away bed?
Dude,
That
I
sounds
told
worse
him, I
than
was
a
like,
cot.
yeah, we just need a room with like anywhere in downtown Montreal with 2 beds. Puts me on hold for 3 minutes. He says there's nothing except for one hotel that has a queen bed and a roll-away bed. And I was like, what? So I was like, oh, like how much is it a night? And he's like, it's $575 a night. And I'm like, are you out of your fucking mind? Like for a roll-away bed?
What the fuck
And
even
in
is a
general.
roll-away bed?
Dude, it's like one of those cots.
That sounds worse than a cot.
Sounds like bullshit.
Sounds like we're going to the dollar store and buying some fucking,
Mattresses.
not even mattresses. They don't even have mattresses there. We're getting towels. We're getting towels to lay down as padding on the concrete.
Oh, this will be interesting. Like, bro, like
They got a Motel 8 there.
there's just no way. Telling me without one hotel in downtown Montreal.
Tell them we booked a first class train ticket. Don't they know we're important? I couldn't even say that serious, like with a straight face. I couldn't even say that with a straight face.
Oh shit.
They'll leave the light on for you. It's so sweet. There's gotta be something.
Alex will send free feet pics if somebody in that chat can find us a hotel.
I'll even paint my
2 beds.
toes.
I mean, I guess we could look at Airbnb.
Hey, yeah, we're can we check into your place in 3 hours? Oh, we'll find it. You know, like we'll find a place to stay.
I don't fucking know, dude.
Oh, maybe not. we might be getting on a train right back.
It's like it's just you and I. Being all
Just the
cute.
two of us.
Just being a little cute and shit. Alright.
Dude, I'll sleep on the floor. Just give me a 12-pack before. I'll fucking sleep anywhere. TripAdvisor shows tons of availability for tonight. Check out TripAdvisor. Apparently that's fucking stacked with options. Could always buy a tent. Sick.
Wait, where did they say?
TripAdvisor.
Yeah, but.
Fuck it, let's just go to Ritz-Carlton.
Could you fucking imagine?
Sheraton, Montreal, 2 double beds, $358. Joanne said.
Send me that link, huh?
Send the link.
Oh yeah, but that was through like one of those Go Splitty or something. I saw that.
What's that?
And then it wouldn't load the page. Yeah, can you send me that link?
Hello, friend. Hello.
I know it's in kind, but
Hey there.
I mean, the direction maybe some there will be moments or
Hilton Garden Inn, downtown, $324 a night.
they have to have it's a lot of time.
I guess we can't be too picky.
Yeah. Hey there. Christine, I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Thank you.
Tina, we have like another 3 hours to go. 3 more hours, pretty much. Sounds good, Lori. Lori said there's a link in the Discord. A link in the Discord. Diane, hello. The golf trip? No. This is
What's up? Is there anyone in there who knows Montreal? Like, is Griffintown or Little Burgundy?
Griffintown or Little Burgundy?
Is that near downtown?
Is that near downtown? Griffintown or Little Burgundy? Oh, we're drinking Griffintown right now.
I just say we.
We might just have to spoon.
I mean, I would be thinking this is larger.
Honestly, like I usually say, like I prefer big spoon, but I wouldn't mind being little spoon this time.
Really?
Yes. Beck, we ended up finishing top 19 last night. We were 19th. Griffintown is nice, a little far from downtown, but walkable. It's still walkable, Griffintown. Hotel Bonaventure is a very nice hotel. It's downtown. Johnny Boy. What's up, Johnny Boy? Kathy, sounds good. Where are you guys coming from? Niagara Falls. Downtown. That's not too bad. It's not too shabby. Candace, sounds good. We will check those out. We appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wendy, no, we're off of that now. We're off of that, thankfully. Jeanette, we're going to Montreal. Go Montreal. Small town bubble. Oh, it is a lot. It's definitely pricey.
What?
Oh, just like average hotel prices per night now.
Yeah, it's freaking stupid.
Absurd. What is in Montreal? I don't know. Never been. Gonna go check her out. See what's happening. Christina, I think he's already looked at that one. Wendy, I think that is our train. Have you checked that Hotel Bonaventure place?
Yeah, I didn't have great reviews. But I don't think I can be too picky. The what?
Westin, like L-E and then West Inn, or Hotel Bonaventure. Those have been the two most frequently coming up. Vancouver too. Why aren't you driving? Do something different, you know, take a train. Fuck it. Fuck it. Traffic to sit in, exactly. Exactly. Hey, hello there. Is there a dining car? Not really a dining car. They kind of come around and they have a cart and whatnot, kind of like you see on a plane. That's pretty much all it is.
Yeah, because there'll be times when it's less. I mean, it's really guided, right? They're not.
What the fuck? 2,000 for fucking 3 nights? Where you going? Montreal. Going to Montreal. Experience, but I'll drive next time. That's fair. That's fair.
That's 2 hours a week, right?
Candace, that is very true. Very true, Marie, with the roses. Much love. Much love. Hi, Alex. Be safe. Thank you very much. You absolutely will. Absolutely will. It's fun to take the train down the coast. sent you the Holiday Inn. Got the hotel Holiday Inn. Yeah, I can see the trains out there being nice, you know. It's a little bit more scenic too. Just a little bit more scenic.
We just say this and that was a gas station.
What we were using, kind of, it was the 2008 gas station.
Yeah, so like I know, I'm just, because it's.
Hello?
Yeah, so the one we
Hello?
bought was the director.
Hey, Nigel. How are you?
Hey there. Marina, what's going on? What is going on? What the fuck?
My call's just failed. Great. That was beautiful. What's at the Westin?
The Westin?
Yeah, he was probably calling me about the same one that I just found out of.
Yeah.
Idiots.
It's alright, we'll figure this out.
I love how just the whole time we were like just not concerned until we're like, now we're like, oh fuck.
Everybody's pretty good. Except the director.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that. No.
What?
And I mean, I don't think
Judging
why
that
you guys
thing.
noticed the less is happening.
Judging that contest thing.
And I'm like,
Judging the
why do you
content.
recommend
Like the whole Kruger contest or
Oh, the one you really wanted to do?
no,
That you
no, that's what
that
you wanted to
did.
do.
Yeah, right.
You're like,
Yeah,
fucking
right.
guy.
Yeah, right.
But no, we are not doing that. No.
We wouldn't be part of that. Well, I wouldn't be. I would have loved to see you do that.
You'd love to see me want to be in that.
100%.
Strut my stuff. Come on, like you are. You already know. You already fucking know. I got a good strut on me, you know. I do got a good strut.
Traditional guest room.
We I just want a bed to sleep in. I don't even care where we stay. Even if we do there or whatever for one night, just until we figure it out tomorrow. Anywhere. Kuhn would win with those legs of his. No. Have you seen my legs? Are you kidding me? Are you nuts?
Imagine we just drive to like.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I think an email came in late or something, but no. We are not. It's a negative. It's not happening. Kuhn's chest would win. I don't know. Don't tell him that. Don't tell him that. V. Anyway, trains are fun. I've seen them. I think we need to see both to compare. I don't know. I don't know. Amy goes used to. Used to. That is true. Like I did used to. Now it's like it's still there. It's not as much as like it's not always there. But you know, on a good day, it definitely has a presence to it.
Hey, Nigel.
It's our boy Nigel. We're getting real tight with him.
No worries.
We're getting real tight with our boy Nigel here.
Okay.
You know you're a good person when you're named Nigel. No, that's not true. That's not true. I'll sleep on a cot. I don't even care. Give me the roll-out bed or whatever the fuck it's called. Polo, Rolo.
Okay, and that was at the Westin.
Coon shorts on Alex. Oh yeah, that's like a skirt.
Okay. I think we're gonna keep looking and just see, but if nothing comes up, I'll give a call back.
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
What was our boy Nigel saying? What was our boy Nigel saying?
They found a room at the Westin. I was like, yeah, it's the same one. In my head, I'm like, it's the same one I saw.
For $2,000. Sick!
Maybe I should look at Airbnb.
At that point, we should have just flown out to Vancouver. $2K for a hotel room for 3 days? Fucking goddamn.
Well, it's for 4 nights.
For 4 nights.
But regardless, actually, like, I'm not saying that. Like, oh, wow.
Help.
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 Help. If anybody's got a couch in Montreal.
We're about to hit up couchsurfers.ca. Vancouver. Jackie's across the country. Hi from Toronto. Hey there. Hey there. Best Western Ville Marie. 4 nights, $1,100, 2 beds. That's what V from the Grotto said. She's from V from the Grotto, who's from Montreal, said Best Western Ville Marie, 4 nights, $1,100, 2 beds. I would do that. 4 nights, $1,100, 2 beds. Best
Yeah,
Western
but
Ville Marie.
Is that downtown?
V, is that downtown? It is downtown, she said. Indeed it is.
Okay.
Queen Elizabeth. Oh goodness. Okay, ladies, we are going to call the live here. We will be back, if not later tonight, at some point tomorrow or tomorrow afternoon. So we will see you then. It's been fun. Enjoy the rest of your night. We are going to figure it out. Wendy, thank you for the money gun. And yeah, stay tuned. As always, good night. And love you, bye. Adios, senoritas.